everyone, today we are going to make water level indicator using ultrasonic sensor. For that we require Arduino Uno board, breadboard, ultrasonic sensor, 2 LEDs, 2 resistor, 220 ohm resistor and a USB cable. First of all, place the LEDs on the breadboard. Now take the 220 ohm resistor, connect one terminal of the resistor to the cathode of the LED and other terminal to the negative line of the breadboard. Similarly, connect the second 220 ohm resistor to the second LED. Now take the Arduino board, the anode of the first LED to pin 9 of the Arduino and the second LED to pin 10 of the Arduino. Now take the ultrasonic sensor, connect jumper wires to the pin of the sensors. Now connect the VCC of the ultrasonic sensor to the positive line of the breadboard, the ground to the negative line of the breadboard, and then the trigger pin to pin 6 of the Arduino and the echo pin to pin 5 of the Arduino. Our connections is completed. Now take a wire and connect it to the negative line of the breadboard and then to the ground of the Arduino. And another one to connect the positive to 5V pin of the Arduino.
Coding for water level indicator using ultrasonic sensor. Open the Arduino IDE software. First we will create variables for the echo, trigger pin and the LED. So type int trigger and assign pin 6 to it. Then again create another variable int echo and assign pin 5 to it. Now create variables for the LED. The green is for the green LED connected to pin 10 and the next red is for the LED connected to pin 11. Now create the variable for distance and duration. Now in the watch setup, declare trigger and the LEDs as output and echo as input. Also type serial.begin to establish communication between the Arduino and the laptop and set the baud rate to 9600. Now we will do the coding for the loop part. We will first write the code for triggering the trigger pin. We need to start the start sending the signals from the ultrasonic sensor, and for that we need to make the trigger pin high for 10 microseconds and then low. So type digital write trigger high. In this case, we will not use delay, but instead we will use delay microsecond. So type delay microseconds and give the value 10. Then we will make the trigger pin low. In order to receive the signals for that, we will use the pulse in function. We are receiving the pulse or signals to the echo pin, and when the reflected signal reaches back to the receiver, it will become high. So we have to make it high. And the value received will be stored in the duration variable. So type duration equal to pulse in echo high. Now we need to calculate the distance. For that, type distance variable is equal to duration into 0.034 divided by 2, and then serial print ln is for new line, and type distance inside it, so that we can print the distance in the serial monitor. Now we will give the if condition. So when the water container is empty, the red LED will turn on. So we will assume that the distance is greater than equal to 20. This 20 value is not fixed. You can adjust it according to your sensor. Type digital write, and then our red LED will glow when there is no water, means the container is empty. So make red high and the green LED low. Now, if our container is full, then give a if condition that the distance is less than 2 . Then in that case, our red LED will be low and the green LED will be high. So our coding is completed. Now let's check our code. It's showing done compiling, that means our code is correct. Now from tools, select the Arduino Uno board, and from the port, select the desirable COM port that is showing, and then click on upload to upload the code to the Arduino board.
Output of the water level indicator. Here we have placed two containers, one is empty and this one is filled with water. So when we will place the ultrasonic sensor on the empty container, the red LED will glow, and when we will place it above the water-filled container, the green LED will glow. Thank you.